Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it's crashing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store. For some, you maybe have tried it, updating the app. Just find Facebook right here. To those who doesn't, okay? Update the app, and once done, tap on open and check if it helps. Alright. Now, if that still won't work, make sure that your device have enough space. Okay, when you go ahead over to device care for most Androids and storage under iOS, you'll be able to see your storage percentage right here. Okay, so make sure that you have enough storage. Say, for example, you have extra 2 to 3 gigabytes of storage. As when Facebook loads, okay, it will download some data, so it needs some space as well as memory. All right. So if you don't have storage and enough memory, well, Facebook will crash. Okay? So once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. And by the way, if you don't know how to free up space, just delete videos, files, apps, or games that you don't need. All right? So once that's done, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your settings and then find update. This will work for both iOS and Android. So find the update section and just make sure that you are updated or your system is up to date. All right. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, let's say, for example, you have older phones, let's say, or maybe you have a newer phone, but background apps or important background apps consumes your RAM or storage. Well, there's an alternative. Okay. Instead of using the Facebook app, you can uninstall it and then go to your Play Store or App Store, and then just find Facebook Lite. Okay? You can tap on Facebook Lite, install it, and then after that, enjoy Facebook. That's how easy it is to fix Facebook if it's crashing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.